that time because we can't tell about mind about it. We know what our mind is going to go.
But we are not talking about a normal, just one issue, no, right? Otherwise, other issues there are many.
It's happening, but
it's like 650 cases are registered per
but
year.
That means what what are the guys raping? They are not getting proper punishment.
Yeah, that is
no,
what
the guy.
It's like you can't even trust your friend or anyone.
Yes, right but the thing is that the guy is doing that, they get a proper punishment. Then we can do.
I would like to add a point over here. I feel all men today have to be very serious about this, and today we have to be very ashamed of this. That today, if we sit on a bus and next to us we have a girl, so that girl will feel that she has heard about that gang rape issues and she will not be comfortable at all. So it's a shame for us. So how can we stop these things, this rape, especially in India, a country where women has been from centuries.
We should be having a secure law here.
Right.
We should be having a secure law. We should be having everything.
But how can we implement laws? First of all,
we don't create a law. We can put on pressure on the
government to make a law.
I'm saying implement.
Can I say something here? These guys, they start off small. You know, they start off in buses. They start off touching you. They start molesting you. And the whole bus, everybody keeps quiet. The girl keeps quiet first. So the first thing you got to do is say no.
You should react first.
React first. Get the whole bus to look at that person. You know, and then you sort of make a noise. That person will stop there. Okay? Because these people have continued and continued. They just got stronger. And there were 6 of them. They just thought it was normal to do it because the girl kept quiet all this time. So what's happening in Delhi right now is people said enough is enough. Everybody's out there because they feel, they know, they've experienced it. That's why they're out there. That's why they're taking all this from the police.
Okay,
you know?
There's a point over here. There's another question that we have to think every time. Why today man have been really today we don't find that basic ethics. You know, there was a time in Goa when in the beaches, Goan beaches, when Portuguese ruled over here, when the women used to go and swim, no man used to dare over there and can see all those things, because he knows that he has been taught those ethics, those basic ethics, and he doesn't dare, he has no guts to go out there and look at that. But how come that we today have been on the beaches, we flirt and eve teasing and so many things. You know, India actually once it was called as a nation which everyone, every person in this nation implements ethics in themselves. So how can we upgrade those ethics? So we can have girls over here especially. I want girls to interact with the
I would like to say in a country like India, basically the mindset of people is such that if a girl is having a boyfriend, if she is traveling with her boyfriend, people here think that girl is not good because she is having a boyfriend, she is texting whole night. I would just like to say, texting a person, having a boyfriend doesn't decide anything. We are no one to question on a girl's character. And basically, to get over this all of things, not only the boys, even the older people need to upgrade their thinking. Once we are done with this upgradation, then only this bullshit thing will stop. We say that girls are wearing short skirts, so this doesn't give any person right that he can come and assault her, he can come and molest her in front of 100 people. And even I would like to say that we today here have gathered over here. But one question, if a girl is being raped, there will be many people who won't come in front and help that girl. Instead, many people just stand there and keep watching the drama, whole drama. Is that what you call ethics? Is that what you call culture? No. The new trend only will start when if you see a girl being molested by a person, you go there, beat that guy. Then only the change will occur. When just saying about the changes, just going through all the area with a candle doesn't make changes. You need to improve yourself to bring about the change. Then only the things will happen. Questioning people, questioning authority won't do anything. Start questioning yourself first.
So the question is right now, how can we change?
Actually, to add on this also, she said about like short skirts or something people wear. But what about this girl? She
was not even wearing any other like vulgar clothes, like how people call it vulgar or whatever it is. She was in a proper suit, salwar, whatever. Or rather, okay, fine, she was good looking. So rather you can say that a girl, if she's a good looking, it's a crime for her because she's not at all safe anywhere in the country. She can't roam in the night or anything. It's like that. So what about the thinking of men? What they are trying to say?
So the question comes over here: how can we give protection to the women? Because you see, women have, there are cases in India where women have to work at late nights, and we see that we find no protection to women and girls.
Like we say, like medical profession is there.
Can we give a chance to someone else?
Yeah, okay. I'm just saying.
I'm really.
Medical
Yeah.
profession, like she has.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. You can
In
go.
a medical profession, you have doctors all over, night duties, everything is there. Why can't our law or our security policemen are there? Why can't they be all over in the night when someone is traveling or everything? It's not that everyone is sleeping in the night. They go and they nicely have their own time. But other professions, they are asked to remain awake because if there any emergency, you have to be there. Similarly, here also common people can have any emergency, right? So even it's about authority also, that there have to be some law also that has to be made.
So the question is police protection. What police are doing? We have seen in the news channels that there were thousands of police over there, and they were doing this lathi charge on students. From where this police has come? Where were they when that girl was being raped? Where were they? Why police is not understanding their responsibilities? Their responsibility is to protect the society from such antisocial elements. How can we pass on this message to police? Any boys over here?
What the police said was that they had not enough women in the force. And what I know from the police here is you have less people in the recruited. There are not enough policemen. There are not enough people taking police force, joining the police force. There are a lot of vacancies, but nobody is joining them. So what you have, the staff is less. Where are they going to put them? So you must think that as a career. You might want to join in those things as a career. That is how you save the society.
So today the problem is that all these students have to go for engineering, or they want to become doctors so that they can have very good salaries. Is that okay? Salaries, fine. We have to work for our living, but that doesn't make us to not think about society. We don't care about others, and this is what we are losing right now. How can we get that again? How can we get back that again?
That country doesn't have enough policemen or something, because half of them are trying to protect one person and gathering.
Especially VIPs, yes, exactly. VIPs are getting a lot of protection.
They go 10 steps also ahead, and the people they work with them. Bloody commandos, policemen, whatever, all types of forces are with them. So you can't say that there are not enough people or armed forces. Everywhere we have armed forces. But
Lakshmi, if you can add some points over here.
No,
Come.
the thing what I feel bad is after such the cases are come forward, the restrictions are put on the girl instead of the guy. The girl is said, you're not supposed to roam outside late at night. Who they allow they to tell us what time we should roam? It's our choice. It's a free country, right? So we have every right to exercise our freedom to roam at night or whatever it is. I mean, it's your duty to make it safe for us and make us feel like we can roam at night. Y'all can't tell us that just because y'all are girls, don't go out at night, don't go clubbing. And when you go clubbing, does that mean you have a very loose character? That's not such. The guys only don't have the right to go out clubbing and have fun. It's not that. I mean, even we want to, right? If we drink, we smoke. That doesn't make us a person of loose character or anything. I mean, even the court says a prostitute also cannot be called a person of loose character because it's her choice. I mean, that's physical need, whatever it is. But is she doing a crime to the society? No, it's just her own personal preference. You all have no right to say that. And even if we see in the villages side, the policeman will tell the girl, who told you to roam out at night? It is not the guy's fault. I mean, how can you all even say that? That is tomorrow if you all go out somewhere, some girls come and just bash you up. Tomorrow, we're not going to tell them who told you to roam out at night. That's the point, right? Law is there. I mean, if you go to read the sections, there are so many sections. I mean, I myself am studying law, so I can tell. I mean, there are so many sections. Everything is written down, but it has no teeth because it is not being implemented. I mean, we can't blame the police also because after all the ministers and all, they are like they give money, and first of all, our police these people have such less salaries. We can't say that they fall prey to bribes because they don't have that much of salaries. I do support the policemen in this because the government needs to pay them. I mean, y'all give salaries to high post people so much. Why can't y'all give it to the people? And even if you try to raise a voice, a senior law will come and suppress it. So we can't actually put the pay. So the best thing is women raise their voice against anything, small thing that happens. I mean, I myself don't keep quiet in buses and all, even if they come in. Whatever it is, guy mistake or fine, you have no right to come and fall on us, right? So you can take self-defense classes. And that's better. You can, and now Indian Penal Code has been altered, right? So we can actually damage the person. So now you have every right to do that.
Maybe you need to share that somewhere, that the law is changed. Everybody won't know about that. Being a law student, you would know that.
Actually, they said, ignorance of law is not an excuse. So you'll have to know it.
Especially
I'm saying share it somewhere, maybe on the Facebook somewhere.
Facebook, nowadays Facebook, because of Facebook there's so much of awareness going on. So that is actually
there's
a
group
good thing.
called Make Goa Safe for Women. I started it. Maybe you can join there and share what you do.
Yeah, they can share. People have updated status.
No, I think you should share what is the
Yeah,
Indian
of
Penal
course.
Code.
Right now I'm just a first year student, so I just know this. But I do support it, and you can't actually totally blame the law. I mean, citizens are also supposed to be blamed for some of the things, And I mean, I don't need to be bad, but it's not the Goans who are committing this crime. It's the outside people who come and do that, and it is so offending. I mean, Goans are, or even what about the girl who committed suicide after? It is emotionally also. It hurts this. And I think like how it is done in children's court, the victim is not brought in contact with the accused. That should be done so that they don't face the mental trauma. I mean, even a court should be, kind of.
Yeah, having said that, there are some Goans, you see in educational institutions, those are Goans, right? Those are also there. But the girls and all don't have the strength to come out.
Yeah,
We should not
colleges and
regionalize
schools.
this thing and
How can we build that strength?
strength?
I would just like to interrupt over here. The question is, how can we, bring back that confidence on girls that they can fight?
See, basically, learning a car or learning a dancing won't help you in this kind of situations. Learning a martial arts will definitely help you out. Getting down one person would have done many things. Okay, you should change yourself. Okay, society should change their own self.
The
Then only
bottom
we
line
can
is
blame
that
everybody.
you react first. Then the people react, of course. We are not telling girls to don't go clubbing, you go, but be in a safer
That's
side.
your right.
Be a
That's
safer
your
side.
right.
Nowadays you can't, even if you take a guy with you, you don't know
No,
what
not
he
telling.
what
No,
he-
I am not telling you to take a guy with you. If 5 of the girls
If
are
you
going for
think
clubbing
you
or
are in
anything,
trouble,
go.
if you
Buy in a
think you
safer
are in
side
trouble,
and think what the
shout.
situation is.
Okay, the boys,
Girls especially, they don't ask the parents if I can
Yeah,
go for
one
clubbing.
more thing
No
is
one
they
has
never
it,
tell
but
parents that they are going to
So
clubbing.
like it's not a safe
Anybody, your
for the
brother,
good
you
side.
inform that. If you are going to clubbing, be not allowed. Go to
Better be
clubbing,
aware of
be in a
everything
safer
and
side,
then try
see
out,
the
try
situation,
out.
how it is going on. If somewhere the situation is wrong, just inform anybody. Because the girls never inform, they think that we are, some mistake is girls, so we are not blaming you.
That the mentality is like that because
You
we
should
know
take
that
on the
if we
mentality.
tell-
You know the mentality what boys are thinking.
Like, we are not allowed
Boys
sometimes
also
to
think,
go out
we
of
are-
our
we are-
house after
we are-
They
7
think that
o'clock.
if 5 girls are there, 10 boys will think that yeah, they are alone. But you know the situation, what is going on, you handle it.
Instead of changing girls' mentality,
We are-
why can't we just focus on changing on boys' mentality, right?
You said
Simple.
instead of learning dances or something, you should learn martial arts. Why can't you tell the
Not
same
about
thing?
guys and boys.
Okay.
No, exactly.
I would just like to interrupt
I
over
want to
here.
ask one question. I want to ask one question. What is the number?
I would just like to interrupt over here. This is not a fight between boys and girls. Come on.
लड़कियों में कमी है तो लड़कियों में भी कमी है
Exactly, I went in the wrong direction.
I want to ask a question. What is the number you phone? What
Yeah.
number do you call? 100. Why do you call 100? Why do you call
that
100?
side and all? 911 is the main focus number. 911. If you just call 911, like the help will be in no minute. That should be in India as well. Why not in India? That's what you want to put forward to
Maybe
it.
we should put a petition to the government to
Yeah,
have
that's
something
it.
like that.
So the
If we call up 100 number from here भी उलैता, कहीं भी उलैता, and there भी उलैता. Even I don't know what they speak
No,
actually
no, from
sometimes.
100 is based in Panjim. So when you call Panjim, then they have to call these guys here. But the thing is, 100 number, whatever you say is recorded. So if something happens to you, it is recorded. You can give all description of everything that's going on, and then they will send somebody there. But also, it's an emergency number also. So if you are in an accident also, you can call that number. But it is recorded. So you have some safety there. If you call any other number, that recording is not going to happen.
It also is connected to the closest van roaming around, not in tangent.
The closest van, but it is recorded.
It is recorded, it is connected to the closest van.
Closest van. So then you get security that will come and look after you.
Yeah, but it's not like...
Not like a
Okay,
but we have to create that system.
there's a point over here. Why haven't campus students working on these issues? Where were campus students before, and why weren't they even thinking about such issues? Yes, they were thinking, individuals were thinking, but not as a group, as we have gathered over here. So what we students can do right now on these issues, and this is the first step I guess we have taken over here. Girls over here
I guess,
can also interact.
more than educating our youngsters, that is a fellow being, we should go and educate the elders, because they are the one who are getting involved in all this more than us. I feel when I am with my fellow person, that is with my friend, I am much more safer than I am with my elder. That is what we face in the bus. Normally when we are traveling to college, it's like we girls, when we are traveling, any person, it's not a guy who's touching us, it is the elder person, it is some elder fellow who will be touching us. And I feel we will be hardly few of us, you know, who will oppose to it. We will say, Ki Baba, what you are doing? Otherwise, most of the girls itself keep quiet. And that is what I want to tell today all the girls who are gathered over here. Please do not keep quiet. It is you who can face. And it's like if you all don't speak up at that point of time, you all will face a bigger trouble in future. So tomorrow, whether it is you or your friend, opposed to whatever is happening, it is within from ourselves. It should come from the girls and not from someone else. You shouldn't tell your own friend, Ki Baba, this guy is doing something to me. You should be so strong enough to tell it on yourself, Baba, what are you doing? And not to tell your own friend, Baba, he is doing something to me. And I feel lucky as far as I'm a student and I know what are college boys around. Even I have so many guys in my college itself. I guess we have never got that kind of trouble from our own college friends. Even if they are drunk, they are in their own limits. It is the men who are doing these problems these days, and that is the reason I feel we should start with first step, that is educating the elder ones and not the our age group.
So the point over here, also another point I would just like to add over here, parents' role has to be very important on this case. How can they educate their children? How can they educate their boys and girls that, see, you have certain boundaries over here, you cannot cross this limit. So how many parents, you know, from us educate us of such things?
First of all, I feel they should be very frank in talking to their children.
Yes.
They should be very frank. That is, whether it is whatever issue, they shouldn't feel shy to talk to their children.
Okay.
They should be very frank enough to speak everything.
Okay, this one
We
point.
should start by teaching them how to respect women first.
Yes.
For that
Why?
part, I guess
Always,
even respect men.
I don't think except for the sister they actually think like that.
Yeah.
So I think we should end this discussion.
We can continue this discussion online. There are two groups. We have Vastukas United and we also have Makes Goa Safe for Women. You can join that, or at the national level there must be other groups you can join, but I think you must divide, like you're saying, don't regionalize, you must regionalize and start small. What is affecting you, you start sorting that out, and then it has to go to a bigger circle. So if there's something affecting you here, you sort it out here with the police here, with the administration here. Even at your college level, you need a number there. During the daytime, you need to know.
Why not
what
start
number.
with our own locality?
Yeah, you can do that. So you can divide and have your own groups.
Exactly.
and
Why
say
don't we
safety
start
numbers.
this first at our home?
Oh,
And
exactly.
then we go to localities. So
So let us
any
continue
student
the
who wants to
discussion.
interact, who wants to put up some questions over here, can freely. Ricky Fernandez, would you like to?
First of all, I would say people in India, they don't know their own pledge. What is the pledge? India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
So how can they marry?
I'm just saying. No, I'm just saying.
Okay. All Indians are my. I cannot hear
So
him.
the girl who was raped, was also my sister, and this is why I'm here today. This is why all of us are here today.
That is also a fact that most of the students, they forget the place then and there, and that too they're saying just because all the group is talking, that's why. बाकी किसी को याद नहीं रहता स्कूल से निकलने के बाद या कभी भी, वही प्रॉब्लम है. अगर वो याद रखो तो वही बहुत अच्छी बात हो जाएगी.
So I think you take a pledge here. The girls will speak up if something's happening to them, and the boys
Yeah,
will
boys
support.
will
That's the
That's the
here.
thing. Yeah.
So you react first.
We react and then you respond to that.
So let us learn from
The
this.
girls are not alone. We are here with you.
Yes.
We're all here with you.
Guys, we are having Manoj here.
Question में
What my view is regarding this is, hanging is not the end of this crime. What I am thinking. Hanging is not the end of this crime. इसका end क्या है? हाथ काटिए बंदे का, पैर काटिए, leave him. Leave him.
So what students over here? What students over here did? Yeah.
There's a boy over there.
Yes, please.
So they're using the law in Saudi and all. That is right. That is right.
Come again.
Can you come?
Come in front. Come in front. I'm not getting you what you are saying. Please come in front.
Sir, I am saying तब आपके और उनके और हमारे बीच में कोई difference नहीं रहेगा.
नहीं.
There has to be a difference.
I'm not saying about the difference. What I am saying, just cut his hand, cut his leg and leave him. ताकि दूसरा देख करने से पहले सोचेगा उसको देख के remember him.
I don't think he should be cut. I don't think he should be hanged in public.
No, hang
He
is
should
not
be hanged in public. They should amend new
I would just
laws.
like to interrupt over
Because
here.
many
After hanging
I would just like to interrupt over here. I would just like.
thing is you castrate him and never do it again.
Yeah.
That's
That is
all
a lifetime.
hand cutting of
We have over here Mr. Altaf Shah. We have over here Mr. Altaf Shah who can. Okay.
There's no giving him choice.
See, what is happening is that we are only targeting on one particular incident.
Yes.
See, these things are happening every day. What we are doing is we should come up with a capital punishment for any rapist. If he's convicted, there has to be capital punishment. He has to be hanged to death. That is the solution. You cannot. Why are we only? This is not the only case. This is the case which will show us the way. We have to go forward. Capital punishment for any rapist who does this. Let it be an answer to anybody who thinks of raping this, of doing this dirty thing.
Look at Saudi Arabia tonight.
Easy.
See, what we are doing is we are.
That is the very easy way.
Anybody even thinking about it, he has to feel scared about it.
It's all about laws,
Yes.
man.
So,
We are not
like
having
what
a proper law.
you said here, it starts with just a touch and falling. You know, you start in a bus, you start doing that, then you go back home and then you say, ladki hai, and then you start doing more. So we want to stop them right in the beginning. So we said we'll make a
allow them,
noise.
they'll do it continuously.
You guys have to support. In a bus, you hear somebody say, kya kar raha hai? Like,
Guys, I'm not only here to fight for the girl. I'm here also because the law should be amended, the new laws. Because the politicians, there's so many politicians who have raped, and because they're MLAs, because they're politicians,
exactly.
they
They
keep
just
extending dates. You know what I mean?
I guess
we should
we-
amend laws. This new law, if it comes, this is what I'm fighting for. This is what we should always be fighting for.
And we have politicians over here who have become MLAs, and if you check their background,
Everyone
they
have crimes, lot of crimes, including rape. I mean,
Yeah.
Sir, laws means laws are secondary. First we need to talk about culture, sir. Sir, वो बस में 6 आदमी थे, एक औरत थी, उसके साथ एक आदमी था. सर, ऐसा भी हो सकता था वो 6 के जन उनको नोएडा पहुंचा सकते थे. पर उनके कल्चर्स कैसे थे सर, उन्होंने रेप करना ज़्यादा वो समझा ताकि उनको पहुंचाने से. उस लड़की के पास सर लड़की कितना सेफ्टी बरतेगी. हम लोग को ये सिखाया जाता है यूज पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट. उसने पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट लिया, रात को मत जाओ. रात को गई, उसके साथ में एक लड़का था. सर, इससे ज़्यादा सेफ्टी हम नहीं ले सकते.
I would like to correct over here. That was not a public transport.
Yeah,
it was a private bus. That was a private bus. They were given proper tickets.
She thought it to be a public transport.
Yes, she thought
Okay,
it.
then मैं बोल रहा हूँ कल्चर, लॉस आर सेकेंडरी,
Okay.
कल्चर आर प्राइमरी. अगर उन 6 लड़कों के कल्चर अगर अच्छे होते हैं तो हम लोग को लॉस की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. आज जो रेप के हम लोग लॉस बना
No,
रहे हैं.
it's not about those 6 rapists.
Yeah,
After that incident, there was an 80-year-old woman who was raped. There was a 3-year-old baby, 3-year-old girl baby. Can you imagine? It's absolutely disastrous.
You're not understanding the
अबे
question.
उसमें जो 6-7 बंदे थे सबके सब पिए हुए थे. ठीक है, एक 4 वर्ड का लगाने के बाद भाई तू जो कल्चर बोला उसके बारे में तेरे को कुछ याद रहेगा.
सर, अगर
ठंडा रख
उनके
मेरे
कल्चर
भाई,
सही होते तो वोट
ठंडा
लगा के
रख.
बस में
अरे
चेक
जितने
नहीं
बड़े भी कल्चर वाले होते हैं ना, चार पर
तो बेस्ट ये है कि शराब को बैन करो.
सब में एक ही चीज सामने
सर
आया
जी,
कि जो बंदे थे वो पिए हुए थे.
सर जी, मैं
और बिना पिए हुए लोगों के पीछे बहुत बड़े हाथ होते हैं. सबसे पहले वो हाथ अगर निकाल
जाएंगे आप 30-70 का रेशियो आएगा.
there is nothing like culture and all.
I would just like
सुनो महेश भैया,
Dr. Jennifer Kamath is leaving.
Yeah, I just want to say we can continue this conversation online. Here, I know you will not have enough time. Also, we have to go back tomorrow is Christmas. So, yeah, this issue will get over only if everybody raises a voice, and we can raise the voice on Facebook. We have got groups created, and we will, whatever, you know, you can submit to the government. We can start talking to them. in Vasco Cars United, we do that. We do write to them. If you make Goa safe for women is also there to go and talk about issues like this and what can be done. You know, first of all, the woman needs to speak. So we know that. Okay. I would like to say good night and great going. Good to meet you all.
On the Christmas Eve, we just pray that girl, we just
she gets well. She gets well, and hope she can live. But the thing is, so much thing has happened. I know I'm from medical side, so I know how loss she has been gone through.